guys, my first vlog. Guys, so I'm searching for a spot to stop my car and talk about it. Many of you guys been asking for a vlog since a long time, so yeah. I'm in Padubidri, is somewhere near Mangalore. I think this spot is perfect. Alright, I'm gonna stop my car here, talk about it for a while. Yeah, I wanted to start it with my car. The topic, I had no idea how to do vlogs and stuff, but then people been asking me, make a vlog. I'm not gonna do face reveals and all, it's just gonna be a normal vlog. I'm just gonna talk about my car first. Alright, this is my first car. This is Volkswagen Polo 1.2 Highline, the top end model. It's not a GT. I'll show you the key. It's pretty normal. One touch, hold it long press and the windows go up. That's all. It's a 1.2 MPI, not the GT version. It's a Highline, though it comes with 15-inch alloys. Pretty neat. I want to paint them black. I don't like white cars. Actually, I like black cars, but Polo does. The darkest color they have is blue and carbon steel. I wanted to go for carbon steel, but the dealer fucked it up. I had to wait 3 months for the carbon steel color. And even after waiting 3 months, they did not give it to me due to some unknown reasons. And I cancelled the order, went to another dealer, picked up a white one because I kind of like the white one as well. So maybe I'll detail it the black roof, black mirrors, in the headlights, tail light, in the logos, chrome delete. Maybe it'll look good, and the wheels black as well. It's not a fast car. A lot of you have been asking me, my friends especially, asking me, why did you get 1.2? Why did you get a 1.2 MPI? You could have got the GT version. Alright guys, let me tell you why I got the 1.2 MPI instead of the GT. I like petrol cars, okay? I like manual cars. The GT petrol version is an automatic. So I wanted my first car to be a manual, alright, so I can learn how to drive. You know the funny part, when I got this car delivered, I had no idea how to drive. To take the car's delivery, I took my friend along with me so he can drive it to my place. So then I took few months to learn how to drive. I had the license, but I didn't know how to properly drive a car. So I learned how to drive with this car. Why didn't you go for diesel? It comes with the diesel GT version comes with a manual. No, I don't like diesel. I wanted petrol. I wanted manual, I wanted a hatchback. I don't like any other hatchbacks in the market right now in India. I like the Polo. I've been liking it for a long time. So I finally got it. I learned how to drive now. I know how to drive. I do a lot of highway runs in this. Let's do a walk around, yeah? Alright. I like this feature. It's candy white. It's pretty dirty. It's a 1.2 MPI. It's not a fast car, guys. It's just a normal car. But it's my first car, so it's pretty special for me. Okay, if you're asking me where I am in Padubidri. It's near Mangalore and Udupi. Yeah, it's some 30 kilometers from Mangalore and 20 kilometers from Udupi, and it's in between. It's like completely filled. There's no people around. It's just a beach. Damn, it's beautiful. Beach, so beautiful. And my car. Damn. Okay. And yeah, so I think I spoke about. I think there's no reason for me to talk about my car much because it's known. If you like my vlog, please comment, and maybe I'll do some more in the future. Please like it. Okay, I forgot to do the interiors. Okay, let's go there. Check out the interiors. The interiors. Volkswagen. All the Volkswagen cars right now comes with this Apple CarPlay, but the sad thing about it is it has everything. You can call your friends, you can use phone, message people, WhatsApp, YouTube, all that stuff, but it doesn't come with the main feature. it doesn't have Google Maps or Apple Maps navigation. So to do navigation and stuff, I had to use my phone. So to make it much better, I got this holder from Flipkart. Okay, let's go for a drive. Enough of talking. Let's go for a drive. Start it up. It's pretty normal. Brake down. Mirrors up. Locked. I downloaded this cool app. If you guys know any better app than this, please let me know. So let's go for a spin, guys. Check the mirrors. Check the mirrors. This is pretty slow, man. This is pretty slow. It doesn't sync well. I'm doing 37 and it's showing 28, so please don't follow it. To do more vlogs like this, you know, take other cars like supercars. It's not a supercar, guys. This is the first normal car in my YouTube channel. This is my first normal car, so it's gonna go up on my channel. The road is pretty narrow, so I'm gonna watch out, drive a little slow. Yeah, hope you guys like the vlog. So I've done 4,000 kilometers so far, and the mileage I get on highways, I get 16, 17, and on city streets it's about 10, 11. It's not great, but it's okay. It's okay-ish. Yeah, I'm gonna stop it here. I'm gonna stop the vlog here, guys. Hope you guys liked it. I don't know, please put your suggestions in the comments below and let me know. This is my first vlog, so I have no idea how I did. I'm just gonna put it raw. I'm not gonna put any fancy effects or anything. Guys, thank you for watching. Cheers.